There are books in marketing which most people have read or heard, books such as 𝗕𝗫𝗄𝗧 Marketing, Ogilvy on Advertising, and Blue Ocean Strategy. This video isn't about them though. This video is all about the underrated gems in marketing, which for some reason or another haven't gotten the attention they deserve. Smash the like button so you can find this video easily in the future, and let's dive straight into these marketing gems. Book number 1, The Choice Factory by 𝗕𝗫𝗀𝗃𝗀. Marketing is all about influencing the decisions of your audience, making them want something, making them feel something, and making them resonate with something. But before you can do that, you need to understand what drives your audience. And this book gives you 25 cognitive biases that we all do on a daily basis and you can utilize in your marketing. The reason why you should read this book is that even if you know the theory behind behavioral psychology, you might not know actually how to implement it in your day-to-day life. I certainly didn't know. But with the help of this book and the 25 easy to implement chapters, implementing customer psychology in my marketing has become a breeze. Book number 2, Win Without Pitching Manifesto by 𝗕𝗫𝗀𝗀𝗃𝗀. This book has quite literally become my business Bible. The first time I read this book, I was just starting my agency and I had no idea how to talk to clients, how to price my services, and how to position as an authority in my market space. But this book changed everything. The structure of this resource is super easy to understand and implement, as it is broken down into 12 proclamations that anyone who wants to sell an idea or is a creative business owner must follow. If you want to be respected as an authority in your market space and stand out from competition, then this is the book for you. It is short, packed with value, and to the point. Book 3, From Zero to Hero on Instagram by 𝗕𝗫𝗀𝗃𝗀𝗃. Hey, you can't just promote your book like that. But why can't I? The list is mine, and the book has already helped hundreds reach 10,000 followers on Instagram. And did I mention that the list was mine as well? It's just not right. Don't be yet another YouTube sellout. Okay, you have a point. The book is really great though. If you want to dominate Instagram, go check it out, link is in the description. Book number 3, Unlabeled, Selling You Without Selling Out by Mark Ecko. Continuing with the subject of being authentic and not selling out, this is the book which will teach you how to position your brand in a genuine way, offline and online, creative, filled with practical formulas and inspiring art. This is my go-to book recommendation for anyone starting a personal or corporate brand. The book follows the author's story from a street artist to a multi-million-dollar coaching empire. If you are sick and tired of authentic brands and want to make sure you stand out, this is the book for you. Fun, creative, and practical. Go check it out. Book number 4, How Brands Grow by Byron Sharp. This far we have mainly covered books which are best suited for small to medium businesses, but there is no better book showcasing how big brands grow than this one. If your goal is to one day become a market leader, or you want to learn how market leading brands work, this is the book for you. Inside it, the harsh reality of how brands work and how customers consume products is showcased by marketing myths being busted left and right. This is a book I recommend to any marketing beginner who still hasn't dabbled too much with big brands and how they operate. It is a fantastic read if you aim to becoming a market leader, or if you are a market leader and you want to keep your position. Book number 5, Obviously Awesome by April Dunford. Most of us know that our products are awesome. After all, I did mention about my new ebook, right? Our products are like our babies. We create them, we nurture them, and we want to see them succeed. But there is one problem. We don't know how to make other people see just how awesome our products are. This is where the book Obviously Awesome shines, showcasing you how to find your product's secret sauce and how to sell that sauce to the people who crave it. It's simple, straightforward approach full of fun references that make this book a light-hearted experience which you can leisurely enjoy whilst also smashing that like button for the YouTube algorithm. These have been the 5 underrated marketing books. If you want to grab any of them, make sure you go into the links in the description. Stay brave!